the woman leader in BFSI goes to Amisha Vora, the Joint Managing Director of Prabhudas Liladhar. Is there anyone from the Prabhudas Liladhar? Yeah, there she is. Put your hands together. A few words, ma'am? We have hardly had a lot of women leaders. You need a mic.
For a successful man, there is always a woman behind. And I say, for a successful woman, there are many men behind. Starting from my father, who saw a dream that I should be a professional, my husband, who always supported me, my business partners and colleagues, and last but not the least, my son, who has also joined my business. And while this year, Prabhudas Liladhar is celebrating its 75th year in business, having seen all the ups and downs of the financial markets, we are also very happy that we act like a startup. And the way in chess, IBM Blue is beating human mind, we are trying quant strategies, frameworks, and models which can beat human and active financial portfolio management. And Siddharth is spearheading the digital transformation and quant models at PL. Thank you once again for recognizing and giving this encouragement for women. Of course, they deserve double applause. Thank you. I have been traveling almost 20 days in a month. I have traveled to US with just 2 hours notice from my office. And I've also received replies at times when I go and meet my US client earlier days, last 2 years, nothing, that, you know, your flight was late, sorry, but I have a 5 o'clock game of tennis. And I persisted, so I'm very happy to be here, having gone through all the downs for this up today for the award. Thank you so much.
Well, the double applause would obviously require a double accolade, so you have a second accolade lying out there. Amisha also receives the Woman Super Achiever, so double applause, double accolade, and double the energy. And sure. Would you like to use the podium?
So I'm really delighted to be amongst all of you all today. And we're really trying our best to transform Prabhudas Liladhar into a futuristic and innovative financial services provider. And with a lot of wisdom and innovation coming our way, I think the next decade is going to be much more exciting than the decade that's just gone by. Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations.